Welcome to Session 18 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study polynomial inequalities. The focus is to solve polynomial inequalities using zeros, sign charts, and interval testing. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Move everything to one side. 2. Use zeros as interval boundaries. 3. Test signs and include endpoints only when allowed. Polynomial inequalities are solved by tracking sign, not by guessing from the graph. Move all terms to one side, factor if possible, find the zeros, and test one value in each interval. Only include a zero when the inequality allows equality. Solve x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 4 greater than 0. The critical numbers are -2, 1, and 4. Testing intervals give signs negative, positive, negative, positive. Because we want greater than 0, the solution is from -2 to 1, union 4 to infinity, with open endpoints. If the inequality were greater than or equal to 0, the zeros -2, 1, and 4 would be included. A repeated 0 may not change the sign at that boundary. That is why testing intervals is more reliable than assuming signs always alternate. Your turn. Does x equal 2 satisfy x minus 2x plus 1 equals 0? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson. Solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Zeros create interval boundaries. Test one point in each interval. Strict inequalities use open endpoints. Repeated factors can stop the sign from changing. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is that small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.